Students, today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 25 geography. So the question number 6 is difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. So metallic minerals means which contain metal, and non-metallic which do not contain any kind of metal. And what are the examples? Iron ore, copper, bauxite, gold, ars, etc. are some of the examples of metallic, and non-metallic limestone, gypsum and mice are the examples of non-metallic. Next is B part of question number 6, spurious minerals and non-spurious. So what are spurious minerals? Which contain iron and do not contain any kind of iron. What examples? Like iron ore and manganese, and here the copper, lead, gold and silver are the examples of non-spurious. Next question is, what is the difference between quarrying and mining? Minerals found on the surface layer of the earth that are extracted through quarrying, and mining is the process by which minerals are extracted from the deep, means depths of the earth. And what is solar energy, which is derived from sun, and what is geothermal energy, which is obtained from the earth. Question number 7 is, uranium is a mineral of destruction. Give 2 reasons to support you. Uranium is a mineral of destruction is that it is used for nuclear weapons, and nuclear weapons are the greatest threat to mankind. At its destruction is huge and its effects last for a long duration. Example of the World War II, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, where the you see in the nuclear attack in Hiroshima and Nagasaki during the World War II. Next question number 8 is, why is the conservation of minerals important? It is important because minerals that are formed over thousands of years of natural process and limited natural resources, and the rate of this formation and replenishment and replenishment is much slower than the rate of their consumption. Next is, 3 minerals essential for industrial development are iron, copper and bauxite. What is the use of iron? Iron is important as steel is made from the iron ore, and which is used or essential for the heavy industries, and it is your next is your good conductor of electricity, copper, and it is used in electrical industry. And aluminum, what is the use of aluminum? Aluminum is extracted from the ore, bauxite, it is used in aircraft industry, even in utensils and coin minting. Next is, how are fossils formed? Fossil fuels. So dead marine organisms sank to the seabeds and they were covered by layers of sediments and decayed. These organic remains were converted into oil and natural gas over millions of years. Oil and natural gas moved upwards through porous rock. The upper movement is stopped by the impervious rocks, and which leads to the formation of reservoirs. Oil and gas can be extracted from these reservoirs. Next, question number 11 is, what is the significance of petroleum oil? So what is the significance? Petroleum is the crude oil that is derived from oil wells. It is then refined in oil refineries to produce products like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, grease, wax, etc. So the conservation of petroleum is important. Why it is important? Because its demand is ever increasing. By increasing the population, the demand of this is also increasing for domestic as well as for the industrial purpose. Next, question number 12 you will do yourself. Next is question number 13, biomass can be the energy source for future. So what is biogas? Biogas means cow dung and kitchen waste can be converted into gaseous fuel called biogas. So biogas is a cheap and convenient cooking fuel and can also be used for lighting homes and streets. Last, question number 14 is, why is conservation of energy resources the need of the hour? So conservation of sources is important as the demand is ever rising with the rise of population and essential for the human survival. Even the coal and petroleum are not going to last for long. They have to be used with consideration for the future. If these resources deplete, then there will be a serious problem in future of industrial source of energy. So next, tick the correct option, choose the correct option. So you have to do it in your page number 22. Thank you, students.